Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to select the information of the notifications on the Zapmap application. But first of all, I just want to mention, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel, because at 100,000 subscribers we are going to show you our YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your device. Click to the three lines at the upper left corner of the screen, and in the account section, click to the contact settings. You can see the first question, what information would you like to receive from Zapmap, and you can select different options. The Zapmap product updates, the surveys, the promotion, the newsletter, or the selected third-party communications. And if you select one, for example the Zapmap promotions, click to the square icon and click to the update at the lower side of the screen and done. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.